All right, so in the last video, we used the SamCart AI Assistant to brainstorm a product idea, write the full content for a kid's sleep guide, and then get it designed with one click. Now it's designed, it looks great, and it's ready to sell, but nobody can buy it yet. So what we need now is a sales page. But that is an awfully tall task. Convincing someone to buy something is super hard, and it's why professional copywriters make thousands of dollars per sales page they write, like the ones we're about to create. But for normies like us, it usually means that we're left staring at a blank page, trying to figure out what to say, in what order, how to structure it, what goes where. It's one of those tasks that just stops people cold and they never get anything done. But the SamCart AI Assistant is here to save the day. This AI agent is trained on everything we know about writing high-converting sales scripts. With a few answers from you, the SamCart AI Assistant can write your entire sales pitch for you. And then with one click, it can even design the entire page for you too. Let's dive into SamCart and I'll show you how it does it. So go back to the top right of your screen and open the SamCart AI Assistant and then select the option to write your sales page. The AI Assistant is going to start by looking at the products already built inside of your account and asking if you'd like to write a sales page for one of those products or choose a new one to write for a brand new product. Next, you tell it about your new product that we created in that last video. Sam AI is going to ask you a few questions about the product. What is it? How is it delivered? And here's the thing. If you just came from video 1, your conversation with the AI might have already given it some of these answers. But let's walk through this either way so you can see what it asks. The agent wants to know what the product is, who it's for, what the transformation that it delivers, and what you're charging. I'm going to keep this simple. We're going to call this product the Newborn Sleep Solution. It's for exhausted new parents. It gives them a step-by-step system to get their baby sleeping longer, and we're pricing it at $27. One of the most important things the agent is going to ask is what makes your product unique? What are your 11 herbs and spices, so to speak? What are your credentials? What is your unique perspective or strategy that makes you different? Our AI knows that the more of your expertise we download from your brain, the better the outputs are going to be. And if you're unsure at any point, just ask questions. Sam AI can help you get more specific on your audience. It can brainstorm some special bonuses or even suggest price points that follow our best practices from studying the SamCart database. But now, watch this. The AI is ready to write your entire sales page. Headline, subheadline, bullet points, testimonials, a call to action, even guarantees, and FAQs. And the best part about it is this is not some generic template that we're copying. It is written specifically for your product, your audience, and the problems that they are dealing with. Sam AI is trained on over $7 billion in real transaction data, so it knows what kind of copy actually converts. You can take this sales script and take it to a Google Doc and copy and paste it into some page builder, but you do not have to because SamCart does the next part for you too. At the bottom of that conversation, you're going to see a button that says Create My Sales Page. One click, and that actually imports your sales script right into the Sites tab, where our AI design engine begins designing your new sales page for you. Just like it designed that ebook in the last video, all the copy is going to pull in stock photos that match, attach a checkout, bring in quotes, and more. So you can just sit back and let our AI design engine do the heavy lifting. And look at this finished product. You've got your headline at the top, benefit, bullet points, a section for social proof, your pricing, a money-back guarantee, FAQs at the bottom. This is a real sales page, and it took you a couple minutes to go make. As with everything else in SamCart, you can edit everything. You can change a headline. You can swap colors. You can put your own testimonials in place when you get them. Our AI gives you a killer starting point, doing 97% of the work for you, and your only job is to just tweak that final product and make it yours. If we go back into the editor, you're free to add and remove any content you like. You can use the magic wand icon to explore alternative layouts for each section. Or you can open the themes drawer and instantly change the entire page's look and feel, colors, fonts, logos with a single click. Whenever you've got your page looking exactly like you want it, hit the publish button in the top right, and you will get a URL to this brand new sales page, generated by AI and ready to start converting followers into paying customers right now. So let's recap what just happened. We told the AI all about your product, and then it wrote you an entire sales pitch, headline to FAQs. Then we clicked one button and got a fully designed sales page ready to publish. no copywriter, no designer, no staring at a blank page for 3 hours. Now, this page still needs one more thing before people can actually buy from it. It needs a checkout. And that's what we're going to cover in part 3. I'll show you how to connect your product, set your prices, add a checkout so that people can actually pay you and you can start converting new customers. But go try this right now. Open the AI assistant, click on writing your sales page, answer some questions, and hit that create page button. And you'll have a sales page live in 5 minutes. And whenever you're ready, we will see you next in part 3, where we're going to dive into getting you paid.